Total gain, 332%. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're showcasing a powerful and fully automated trading system called Perceptrader. Originally priced at $2,400, this AI is now available for only $30 exclusively on FX Crack. Time frames, M5 built for precise entries and smooth execution across multiple conditions. To start using this IA, a minimum balance of $500 is required. Pairs, 6 different Forex pair, selected for stable performance and strong market opportunities. You will receive ready-to-use 12 preset files. Now let's review the EA's performance. This IA has achieved a total gain of 332%, while maintaining a low drawdown of just 17%. It also delivers a solid 65% win rate, showing consistent and reliable trading results. Now, let's open MetaTrader 4 and set up the IA. In the Inputs tab, you can adjust the settings according to your trading preferences. The IA is now fully configured and ready to trade. For full details and instant download, visit our website. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.